Respected faculties and my dear students, I am Soumya Ashok and I take this wonderful opportunity to share with you all the importance and need of universal human values in the field of engineering. Universal human values is one of the most frequently encountered phrases today. Its frequency creates the illusion that its content is intuitively clear and attractive. I can see everyone wondering as to why such topics are to be discussed in a technical scenario where the students are learning engineering. What role does the educational institution play? I have the answer. Human values play a very leading role in present educational institutions. Human values take precedence over social values. Value-based education should be emphasized, ranging from school to university level of education. It's high time we preserve and protect them. Today, many researches and publications should be done on several aspects of the society which help to perpetuate the human values of the human community in the post-modern era. Universal human values play an important role in the life of human at various stages, including education and career. The human, ethical, and moral values are the universal values. It is deeply essential to nourish the moral capabilities in the students and ultimately the society in a positive way. Let's classify the subject into three categories. The first one, objectives of universal human values. The second one, importance of universal human values. And the third, expected outcome of universal human values. Let us talk about the objectives. The students should be enabled to appreciate the essential complementarity between values and skills to ensure sustained happiness and prosperity, which are the core aspirations of all human beings. The second objective is to facilitate the development of a holistic perspective among the students towards life, profession, and happiness based on a correct understanding of the human society and the rest of existence. Such a holistic perspective forms the basis of value-based living in a natural way. To highlight plausible implications of the above holistic understanding in terms of ethical human conduct, trustful and mutually satisfying human behavior, enriching interaction with nature. Let's move on to the importance of universal human values. Why are such values important? They help us to move in the right path. People have forgotten the value of goodness and beauty. And when we are taught about the values, we will stop thinking and start appreciating the goodness of beauty in everyone. Universal human values build our character, and thereby we are seen as a great human being. Some of the human values help us to preserve the heritage and culture of our country. It helps in promoting peace and harmony as well. It is essential for positive human behavior and actions in our daily lives. let us discuss about the outcome of the universal human values. The purpose of sharing this is basically to understand the significance of value inputs in a classroom, distinguish between values and skills, understand the need, basic guidelines, content and process of value education, and explore the meaning of happiness and prosperity, and do a correct appraisal of the current scenario in the society. You need to understand the value of harmonious relationship based on trust, respect, and explore their role in ensuring a harmonious society. You need to distinguish between ethical and unethical practices and start working out the strategy to actualize a harmonious environment wherever you work. I would put forth my views in a more simpler way. My dear students, it is very important that as an individual, we realize our responsibility. For example, if your neighbor is sick and he needs assistance, please don't ignore. Put yourself into action. It's very important that as an individual, or rather as a human being, you need to go forward and help your neighbor in whatever way you can. Our country is rich in culture. Today, we have started to ignore the richness in our culture. People in the West have started adapting our culture. We need to realize that the values and the wonders in our culture have started vanishing. Every individual has a skill, isn't it? For example, you know farming, or you're really skilled in making jewelry. You have to explore your skills. Our country is in search of many such skills. Education is important. You need to be educated, but at the same time, your skill has to be used in whichever way you can. In the US, the students have to necessarily go to some hospital and serve the patients there. They are assessed in those terms also. You need to think how, as an individual, can contribute to the society. These are basic human universal values, and we have left them behind. You need to think beyond education. How can your skill be useful to you as well as to the society? Keep raising questions. Am I educated? Am I skilled? Am I human? Do I give importance to others? Do I respect others? You know what? Even birds and animals are contributing to this society in one way or the other. As a human being, what have I done? We have that extra sense which the animals and birds do not have. Am I utilizing it in the best way I can? How can I improve my living and how my society can improve? Analyze yourself and give your best in all ways possible. Respect, consideration, service, creation, exploring, novelty, personal success through demonstration, appreciation, tolerance, commitment, acceptance are also some of the qualities that you need to have apart from being educated. Try to preserve our environment. Let us start. Don't wait for someone else to start. We have to protect our nature. Nature will automatically take care of us. To conclude, universal human values are the basis of human relationships in a spirit of reciprocity and mutual respect of those values. Well, This is really a vast topic to be discussed at regular intervals in all the educational institutions. However, I have made a small effort to consolidate and present this before you. Thanking you for giving me this opportunity and sparing your precious time. Thank you once again.